5 Ways for Poor Man to Become Rich 100100 Days. While becoming wealthy in 100 days is highly unlikely, here are 5 strategies that can set you on a path towards financial growth over time: skill acquisition and freelancing. Identify and demand skills. Research online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to see what skills are highly sought after. Consider skills like writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing. Learn and practice. Dedicate time to learning and mastering these skills. Online courses, tutorials, and practice projects can be valuable resources. Start freelancing. Create a profile on freelancing platforms and actively seek out projects. Deliver high-quality work consistently to build a positive reputation. Entrepreneurship. Identify a niche. Look for gaps in the market or underserved needs. Consider your passions and interests as starting points. Create a business plan. Outline your business idea, target market, financial projections, and marketing strategy. Start small. Begin with a minimal viable product or service to test the market and gather feedback. Network and market. Build relationships with potential customers, suppliers, and mentors. Utilize social media and online marketing to promote your business. Invest in yourself. Read books and articles. Explore books on personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship to gain knowledge and inspiration. Attend workshops and seminars. Invest in your learning by attending relevant workshops and seminars to gain practical skills and insights. Seek mentorship. Find a mentor who can offer guidance, advice, and support on your journey. Adopt a frugal lifestyle. Track your expenses. Use budgeting tools to monitor your spending habits and identify areas for savings. Cut unnecessary expenses. Reduce costs on non-essential items like dining out, entertainment, and subscriptions. Cook at home. Prepare meals at home to save money on dining out. Find free or low-cost activities. Explore free hobbies, community events, and outdoor activities. Start investing. Educate yourself. Learn about different investment options like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Start small. Begin with small investments and gradually increase your contributions as your income grows. Consider dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly to reduce the impact of market volatility. Seek professional advice. Consult with a financial advisor to create a personalized investment plan. Remember, building wealth takes time, discipline, and consistent effort. Focus on continuous learning, smart financial decisions, and a long-term perspective.